Hello viewers, in Instagram, note color change option not showing problem. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram note color change option not showing problem. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now long press on Instagram apps. Click on app info or I button. Scroll down. Click on storage. Now clear cache your Instagram data. Go back. Click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now open Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. In this way, you can easily solve Instagram note color change option not showing problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.